So there are three things that you need to keep in mind. Try taking a pencil and make a descending loop. Sorry, I made the descending loop on the wrong guidelines. And when you get the hang of pressurizing, hello everyone, Shajia's Pen is back with another interesting video of basic calligraphy course series. So welcome back, and this is day 5. In last video I showed you the way the basic strokes are made, but we did only 4. So in today's video we'll learn the remaining 4. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So our 5th basic stroke is oval. So where do you start making it from? So you start from right here, you move upward and then take a turn and move downward, and then again take a turn and move back. So I'm gonna make it here. Like this, but because we are moving down from here to here, so I'm gonna make this half thick. So this will make your oval shape, oval basic stroke, and we're done. So as you can see that all these basic strokes are made on the X side, but the next one, which is ascending loop, it will be made on waistline and the X side. As you can see, this is taller than other basic strokes. So we'll start from the X side here, we'll go up and then we'll move back down. So because we are moving back and downward here, so I will make this stroke thick. This is called ascending loop. You start from X height, go above, and then you move back down to the bottom line of the X height. So this will make your ascending loop. Likewise, the next is descending loop, but the difference is that it is the opposite of ascending loop, because we start from the X side top line and then move down to touch the base line and then move back up to the X side bottom line. So we start from again the X side, move down and then make a loop. So because we moved from here to here downwards, so this will be thick. So both the ascending and descending loops start from the X height top line. The difference is we move up in the ascending loop, but we move down in the descending loop and then move back up. So this is our descending loop. So the next one is compound curve, last one. So as you can see that the overturn and underturn are basically the combination of upstroke and downstroke, and then compound curve is the combination of overturn and underturn. So we make first overturn and then we make underturn, and this makes our compound curve. And because we are combining these two basic strokes, so it'll take 2 boxes. So we'll make a compound curve according to that. We start from here and then again up. So because we moved our pencil from top to bottom here, so we're going to make this part thick. So we started from here, we moved up, then we moved down again, and then we moved up again. So basically this is the overturn, and then this is the underturn. So this will make, by joining these two strokes, this will make compound curve. So there are 3 things that you need to keep in mind. Number 1 is that you start from your oval from here and then you move up. You don't start from here and move down. This will be wrong. If you start from here and then you move up, this is not the way we make oval. So you start always from the halfway of the upstroke in the oval from here, and then you move up and then down and then move up. This will make your oval. And you need to also remember the shapes of these ascending and descending loops, because in ascending loop the loop is on the right side, is facing right, and in descending loop the loop is facing left. So you make ascending loop like this, so you don't make descending loop like this. It will be wrong. And also you don't make ascending loop like this. It will also be wrong. This is wrong and this is wrong. These are right. Okay, so number 2 that you need to keep in mind is the thickness of the basic strokes. You need to keep in mind where is your pencil moving from bottom to top. So you need to pay attention and keep the stroke thin wherever you are moving from bottom to top. When you are moving from top to bottom, you need to make that stroke thick in every shape, in every letter. Try taking a pencil and practice putting pressure on pencil. When you move up, you keep the pressure light, and when you move down, you pressurize the pencil, and you can see there is somewhat a difference in these strokes where you put pressure and where you didn't. So just try practicing these basic strokes with the pencil and practice with pressure. So I'll make this stroke by putting the pressure on the right half like this. So as you can see, it is somewhat bold as compared to that. So this is our overturn. This is our underturn. This is oval. This is ascending loop. So this is descending loop, and the compound curve, I'll make it the compound curve in 2 boxes. So up, then down, put pressure, and then make it light when you go up again. So this is our compound curve. And when you get the hang of balancing your pressure as you move up or down in the stroke, so you can make it thick like this. Okay, now the third thing that I want you to keep in mind is that whenever you make a stroke, you don't raise the pencil in the middle of that stroke or anywhere in between. Like in this compound curve, if you're making a compound curve, you go up and then you put pressure and you don't raise your pencil in between. This will be wrong. You make this compound curve in one stroke. So you go up and without raising a pencil, you go down and you go up again. So you need to keep in mind these three things while you're practicing your basic strokes. So now you know how to make the basic strokes. So grab your pencil and paper and start practicing right now. So these are called the basic strokes because you're gonna make variations in these strokes to make a letter or word in calligraphy. We are gonna learn those variations in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon!